located in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. It is famous for paintings. It was discovered 200 years ago. There are 100 caves in it. It is one of the largest rockets.
Baker Fort is located in Kerala. It is the largest fort in Kerala, spreading over 40 acres, overlooking Arabian Sea. The fort provides beautiful view of the sea. Charminar located in India, Telangana, Hyderabad. Monuments and 4 pillars built by Qutub Shah. A tourist attraction of Hyderabad. Tamal Stupa was built by Emperor Ashoka. It was situated in Sarnath, India. Elephanta Caves is located in Garapuri, Maharashtra. It is a cave temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. Fatehpur Sikri is a town in Agra. Fatehpur Sikri is found by King Akbar on 1571. Fatehpur Sikri is also called as City of Victory. Darwaza is the main gate to the palace in Fatehpur.
The Gateway of India is the monument built during the 20th century in Mumbai, city of Maharashtra state. Nowadays, the Gateway has become a popular gathering spot for all locals and the top place for tourists who visit Mumbai. Hampi is a UNESCO World Heritage Site situated in shadowed depth on hills and valleys in the state of Karnataka. Hampi ranges are spread over 4,000 hectares. Hampi was a prosperous, wealthy and grand city near Tungabhadra river. India Gate. The India Gate, formerly known as the All India War Memorial, is located at New Delhi, formerly called Kingsway. It stands as a memorial to 70,000 soldiers. Jantar Mantar. The word Jantar is taken from Yantra, which means machine, and Mandar means calculating. Maharaja Savar Jai Singh II.
Konark in Orissa. It is also known as Black Pagoda. The name Konark is derived from the Sanskrit word Kona, meaning corner, and word Arka means sun. It was dedicated to sun god Surya. It was built by Lord Narasimha Dev.
Ludhiana is among the list of smart cities that will be developed by Government of India and has been ranked as the easiest city in India for business according to the World Bank. Ludhiana is a large industrial city in the North Indian state of Punjab. Monuments at Mahabalipuram. Mahabalipuram is also known as Mamulapuram. Mahabalipuram means the great city of power. Mahabalipuram is situated on Coromandel coastal area of Bay of Bengal. It is located in Tamil Nadu.
Nalanda monuments. Nalanda ruins are located in Nalanda district from Bihar state. It includes stupas, shrines and viharas. These artworks are made up of stucco stones and metal.
Odisha is located in the northeastern part of our country. The capital city of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. The Odisha is famous for heritage sites and beaches. The people in Odisha speak Oriya.
Ayi Mandapam is the white monument in Pondicherry, which is the Union Territory of India. India built during the time of Napoleon third emperor of France.
Qutub Minar is one of the most wonderful historical monuments of India. Qutub Minar is located in New Delhi at Aurobindo Marg Mehruli. Qutub Minar, which means pole in Arabic, the tallest single tower is about 73 meters. It took almost 75 years to build Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is built in order to celebrate the victory of Muhammad Ghori over Rajputs. Qutub Minar is a major source of attraction for tourists around the world. Thank you.
Rashtrapati Bhavan. The Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India, located in New Delhi, and is one of the most iconic monuments in India. It includes gardens, museums.
Shaniwar Pada is an historical place in the city of Pune in Maharashtra. Built in 1732, it was the seat of Peshwa of the Maratha Empire. Until 1818, the place became the center of Indian politics in the 18th century. The fort itself was largely destroyed.
Taj Mahal. It is 7-in-1 wonders of this world. It is built with white marble. Shah Jahan built in the love of Mumtaz. It is built in Agra.
In the south, Shivalik Hill parallel with Himalayas proceed by Babar and Tarai. The Gangetic Plain occupy the state Uttar Pradesh. In the north, 365 meters, south 80 meters, and east Varanasi.
Victoria Memorial, Kolkata. The Victoria Memorial is a huge white marble monument built at the heart of Kolkata. It was built in the memory of Queen Victoria. The grand exquisite memorial was the brainchild of Lord George Curzon. The architect was William Emerson. It was built between 1906 and 1921. The museum is spread across 25 galleries. It stands as a reminiscence to the British Crown in the Indian subcontinent.
Warangal Fort. Warangal Fort is famous for its 4 ornamental gate known as Kakatiya Kala Tornam, and its 1,000-pillar temple was built in 1163. Warangal City. Warangal City is in the state of Telangana. It was the capital of Kakatiya dynasty from 12th century to 14th century. Jaldam is a very beautiful and scenic village of South Goa. Famous temple of Jaldam is Sri Shanteri Shantadurga temple. A festival of 12 days is celebrated in this temple once in 12 years. Konkani is their local language.
Yanam is a town located in Yanam district, Puducherry, India, which forms a 30 km square enclave in the district of East Godavari in Andhra Pradesh. It has a population of 35,000, most of whom speak Telugu.
As Junegbo. It is town in the state of Nagaland, India. Junegbodo is inhabited by the Swami Nahas. It is the location of the largest Baptist church in Asia.